The Yeedi Vac 2 robot vacuum is a versatile two-in-one device that effectively vacuums and mops, boasting a powerful 3,000 Pascal suction capability. Its smart and ultra-slim design, coupled with visual navigation technology, ensures comprehensive floor coverage and easy navigation around furniture, making it ideal for both carpet and hard floor cleaning. The vacuum features advanced 3D obstacle avoidance technology, adept at detecting and dodging common household items like shoes, toys, and pet bowls, making it a convenient choice for families with children and pets. It offers customizable cleaning through the intuitive Yeedi app, where users can adjust vacuuming and water flow levels, select specific rooms for cleaning, and even control the vacuum via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. With its impressive 110-minute runtime on a single charge, the vacuum is capable of handling large homes, automatically recharging when battery levels run low and resuming cleaning where it left off. For a more effortless cleaning experience, the vacuum can be paired with the optional Yeedi Self-Empty Station, which comes with a 2.5-liter dust bag that can hold up to 60 days' worth of dirt.